Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the power outlet fuses are on this 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. This is the same as the Dodge Grand Caravan. There are 4 fuses here that I'm going to show you for the inverter and 3 power outlets. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. So the first thing that we need to do is open our hood. Right here is our under the hood fuse box. So we're going to push in on these 2 tabs and lift the lid. We're going to start with the inverter fuse, which is this 25 amp fuse right here. And then power outlet number 1 is the next fuse up. It's that 20 amp fuse right there. And some models don't have the first power outlet right there, but most of them do. And then outlet number 2 is this 20 amp fuse right here that's out of line right there. It's that 20 amp fuse right at the bottom. And then outlet number 3 is this 20 amp fuse at the top of this row right here. So we've got your inverter, power outlet number 1, power outlet number 2, and power outlet number 3. I will have microblade fuses linked down in the description below where you can get them on Amazon if you'd like. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.